Bunch of parts, bunch of bikes, bunch of frames. Bunch of wheels. Bunch of Trick Star.
Couple miles away.
Here's that bike.
Enjoy your weekend with your granddaughter.
Can't even see it.
Yeah. Congrats, man. Thank you. Yeah, I got.
Have any headsets, do you?
There's two there. Yeah, that's an original bear trap with the lock power.
That's the old frame. Like the shrinks, and then they came out with that low boy train.
That's a good deal right there, too. Right over the something about that color.
Because the bridge is that way. And I'm this.
I feel like once came like the BMX. No problem. Yeah, yeah, that would be great.
We might get a foot when we go up. I like to. That's it's about an hour.
Go to that pizzeria.
Jimmy's coming over.
We got like
I see on Facebook a lot. Like pizza guy always one day pizza looks fucking.
One day before I fucking die or whatever, I want to fucking try it.
No, I've never seen it. I never heard of it either.
Old school pizza.
Cruisers. Love that Survivor.
The stick was 17 and a half. You and that's the Pro Loop. That's the only one they offer. The stick is the one that has the size. That's the Pro Loop tail. They only offered the one frame. And they offered it once in a 24, and they made two of them, and that is it. One's in California, one's in Australia. Yeah. 800 be my bottom on it. I wanted 1,000 the best offer, but yeah. Now for what it is, that's well worth it. I was hoping it'd sell. Put it on the shelf. It'll be the only frame set I'd actually frame set on the shelf. That's shit that I have at home because of what it is. It was built I got it, well, it was a race issue in Canada. This is the story I got. It was a guy got it from a bike shop in Canada. It was a race issue but never raced. It sat at the shop and it was on display. He got a hold of it, had it for a couple of years, and then I paid $800 for it plus whatever duties and everything else. Like $80 or something like that. I've had it for 3 years.
So the forks were powder coated.
I stripped it.
Thinking the chrome would be
This, but they must have stripped it down.
I live in Edison, but my shop is in Denver, which is